Remember that creamy cleanser I got from my Product Junkie Naturals VIP box? Welcome back, roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. Today I'm going to try that creamy cleanser I got from my Product Junkie Naturals VIP box. If you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you check out my previous video in which I unboxed that particular creamy cleanser. So this is in the testing stages, so I'm testing it. And what I'm going to do here is just let you watch me use it, and I'll tell you what I think about it at the end of the video. In the meantime, make sure you subscribed, hit the notification bell, and like this video for me, okay?
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we're holding the key, yeah, we're tight as can be. We're rolling, just like we please. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end and we run without shame. We own the game, and we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know. We're dynamite. We're dynamite. Can't feel it, can't feel it, can't feel it. And we ride on the flames till the morning light, baby, cause we're dynamite. Ain't nobody gonna hold us down. Break all the rules, let them run and hide, baby, cause we're dynamite. Gonna let the world know.
Well, roses, my hair is completely clean now, including my scalp. My hair is still soft. You can see my texture popping through. I still have moisture in my hair, but at the same time, it is clean. If you notice throughout the video, there was no problem with me spreading the cleanser throughout my hair, and I was able to detangle it, and that is even before deep conditioning. So I'm very impressed. I'm not sure if this cleanser will make it to the website or not, but I hope it does. Again, I was testing this cleanser. There's no smell, so I'm pleased. Let me know what you think, roses. Let me know if you have tried any products from Product Junkie Naturals, or if you purchased the Product Junkie Natural VIP membership and that was how I was able to get this. Other than that, make sure you subscribe, and I'll talk to you later, roses. Bye.